Everyone, welcome to our company VSmart. I am Varsha Case, CMO of this company. In this video, I am talking about organic solar cell. Organic solar cell or organic photovoltaics to became an important source of alternative energy over the past few years. The newly developed active materials used in OPV are non-toxic and enable cost-effective and eco-friendly roll-to-roll manufacturing with orders of magnitude lower energy consumption compared to the manufacturing process for classic photovoltaics. As a result, OPV systems have significantly faster payback times versus other solar technologies. Through this video, I am includes are why organic solar cells, about photovoltaic cell, structure of organic solar cells, environmental impacts, advantages and disadvantages and applications of organic solar cells. First of all, I am talking about why organic solar cell. It is because of ease of processing, mechanical flexibility, economically viable, safer environment, unlimited availability, less expensive than inorganic materials, and compatibility. So, OPV technology can be tuned to create a unique choice of colors and shades. It also inherently enables greater design freedom because OPV systems are lightweight and manufactured from solution deposition techniques in which printing or laser structuration can easily be incorporated. Now discussed about photovoltaics. Classical photovoltaic solar cell based on inorganic semiconductors was developed in 1954 by Chapin, Fuller and Pearson in the Bell Labs. It is an electronic component that generates electricity when exposed to photons or particles of light. This conversion is called photovoltaic effect. The OSC is also known as plastic solar cell and it is a type of photovoltaic that uses organic electronics and is a branch of electronics that deals with the conductive organic polymer or small organic molecules for light absorption and charge transport to produce electricity from sunlight by the photovoltaic effect. The structure of organic solar cell is consist of single layer organic photovoltaic cells are simplest form. These cells are made by sandwiching a layer of organic electronic materials between two metallic conductors, typically a layer of indium tin oxide with a high work function and layer of low work function metals such as aluminum, magnesium or calcium. Here, the negative electrode is used as an aluminium and ITO, indium tin oxide used as a common transparent electrode and the substrate as glass. I am also said that the working of OSC or organic solar cell is based on photovoltaic effect. It is consists of two semiconducting layers are made of plastic polymers and other flexible materials. Photovoltaic effect is the conversion of sunlight energy into electricity. In a PV system, the PV cells are exercise this effect. Semiconducting materials in the PV cell are doped to form PN structure as an internal electric field. This figure is also expressed as the working of organic solar cell. It consists of light absorption, exciton diffusion, charge separation and charge extraction. The exciton splits allowing the electron to move independently to a hole created by another absorbed photon. This continuous movement of electron from hole to hole produces an electric current. The electric current is used as an energy in our life. The environmental impact of OSC are less energy consumption in manufacturing OSC than the inorganic solar cells. An extensive use of OSC contribute to the increased use of solar power globally and make renewable energy sources friendlier. Every system, technology, or others have two sides. That means advantages and disadvantages. Now I am considering advantages. It consists of low cost, savings on materials, low weight and flexibility of the PV modules, short energy payback time, low environmental impact during manufacturing. So, organic photovoltaics is a rapidly increasing new solar cell technology. Among its advantages can be includes its lightweight nature, large area coverage, and low-cost manufacturing. OPV are thin-filmed solar cells with the possibility of storing larger amounts of solar energy than their predecessors. The disadvantages of OSC are low efficiency, short lifetime, and commercially not available. OSC have more important in our life because of it. The use of energy is applied in our life. Applications of OSC are personal mobile charger, small home electronics and mobile electronic attachment, power generation BIPV, that is building integrated photovoltaics such as buildings exterior wall and window. It also used as transportation, that is the energy is used in cars, calculators, etc. Concluding of this video, we get OPV technology demonstrate a number of enabling properties for products that require energy harvesting systems. Compared to existing power source of alternatives, OPV offers added value in terms of performance, environmental friendliness, design customization, and form factor. We anticipate the continuous improvement of OPV systems will further enable its implementation in wider scope of markets including retail, worksites, homes and transportation. So we must introduce OPV in our energy system. Thank you.